Ruckle, man. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all see where I'm at? Can y'all see that? Harbor Freight, man. Today is Sunday. I got some downtime. I'm about to go in here. Now, there's one tool I know I need. That's simply because mine is broken. Over the years, I have really abused mine. That is the radiator pressure test. Now, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna do an open box review on it. It's made by Pittsburgh. Look like it's gonna have all the adapters for the makes and model that you're doing. Now, it's not really high-tech professional. In fact, it's only $89. But like I say, mine has broken, and I'm really not up to spending $200-300 for a Snap-on good one at this stage in the game. So I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes, because I got a radiator job to do today on a PT Cruiser. Matter of fact, I also need one of these. Thing about compression test is you gotta make sure that it's gonna come with the fitting that you need for the majority of cars you work on. Like our Pentastar 3.6 liter engine, the spark plug hole is very small. So I don't know if that will work in our car, so I will wait to get something like this or this. We're now having had to do compression tests and leak down tests before we can get authorization to do any kind of engine work. But this, I need this now. So I would do a review on this. Let y'all know how it go, man. I do honest reviews. So if it's good, it's good. If it's not, and I'm gonna do a review later to see how well it holds up. All right, so that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna walk up out of here right now before I pick up something else. But this is what I'm gonna get. It's cooling radiator pressure test kit. All right, I'm out of here. I'll catch up with y'all later. Well, $144 later, I finally get to leave. I did not plan on spending $144, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I don't like coming to these places, man. So let me take, look at it. I got the coolant pressure tester and a bag full of other goodies. $144 later. I'm so disappointed in myself. Did I need this stuff? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But time will tell. I don't know, man. I'll get back with y'all later, man. All right, man. Thanks for watching.